taking lessons right now, just because it's raining in Adelaide. What do you think about this?
I think it's pretty good. They actually let us wag class.
I know. Yeah, we're outside in the rain. We probably shouldn't be, but I hit.
Oh, is that where you hit it?
Yep, I hit my school gate this morning and
look at her dent.
That's the dent.
And look at glass.
Yeah. All right, I think we should go inside. My camera's gonna get wet.
So's mine.
Fuck it. Are you horrified with this water, Kerry?
Not really. Fun.
What about you, Jess? No. It's not normal though, is it? Hey. Look at these mad bastards!
I don't think they're gonna hug me.
On YouTube as soon as I get home.
You're going on YouTube!
Nolly, are you bleeding? Let's see your war wounds.
Your war wounds?
Show us your war wounds. Oh, Nolly. Corker Nolly. Go!
Not really.
This shit is nuts.
Now, Noel's definitely not going to hug me after being wet.
But you're just as wet as he is.
He's wetter than me. He's drenched. You know, this is meant to be waterproof and it's not waterproof. I'm sorry to talk about that.
Do you reckon everything's going to be green after this?
I don't know.
This is nuts, man.
I'm fucking nuts, man. I'm drenched.
Yeah, you're not nuts, mate. You're full on Glenside material, broy. No.
Glenside material.
You ain't nuts. You're full on Glenside material, broy. Glenside?
Hey, I went to Glenside.
I know someone that worked at Glenside.
I went there for 2 days.
Low.
I did.
Low.
I was like 7.
Kirk, what do you think of the rain? There goes the bus. The Minder bus.
Ah! You're in the Minder bus! You're going to retard school!
Haha.
Ah!
You can go kick the football.
Let's just go get it.
We'll go on then.
I'm by myself.
Neither could I. Hang on.